For today's workout, I will be using this loop band from my Flex Bands kit from Flex Space Studios. You can find this Flex Bands kit in my description box down below. Option to have the loop band already on or not. I chose not to, so let's begin with grand plies, knees over top of toes for 60 seconds, going all the way down and all the way up. Make sure you're pulling your belly button towards your spine and you're keeping your body vertical. Shoulders are stacked on top of hips. Keep going. You're gonna feel this the next day. I am feeling this in my quads. If you don't feel it the next day, you are not human. Keep going. Also, feel free to play around with the porte-bras. That means the carriage of the arms, so maybe switch up the arms every once in a while. I did one arm for 30 seconds and then the other arm for 30 seconds. Keep going.
Friend I would be. How low can I go? I think I know how low I could go low. I go low, oh. 'Cause I can go low. I think you know.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. After this, stretch it out for 5 seconds, and we're going to be staying down low in this grand plie, lifting one heel, then the next, and then lowering it down and lowering the other. So popping our right, lifting our left, lowering our right, lowering our left. Keep going. Feel free to switch up the order of which heel lifts first. I know it's tempting to give up, but keep going. Really make sure that your shoulders are stacked on top of those hips. You will feel your quads burning. They will want to fly off of your legs. I know this is painful, but keep going. You're almost there.
I won't think it over. I know one day we all die. I'm sure you could learn.
And relax. Next one, we're going to be going down to a grand plie in second and then pointing our toe to a tendu to the side. So plie and then stretch both knees, point one toe and reach to the opposite side. Keep doing this to each side.
I think I know how low I could go low. I go low, oh. 'Cause I can go low. I think you know how low I can go low.
We are working on those obliques as well as the quads still. I know your quads are probably so exhausted. Believe me, mine were too, but you've got this. Keep going. And relax. Go ahead and grab the loop band, put it on your ankles, and we do little toe taps to the front with our toes pointed out. Let's go 20 seconds to the front with toe taps, turning out our legs so that we are not parallel, we're actually externally rotated, using our deep rotators, our glute muscles, our quads, and our inner thighs. 20 seconds to the front, and then we'll switch to the side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do those toe taps to the side. Same thing. Notice my shoulders are on top of my hips and my hips are not lifting as I lift the leg. All the work is within the hip socket, within the quads, within the inner thighs, and nowhere is the pelvis moving. Now when we go to the back, make sure that your shoulders are forward so you have a little bit more space in your lower back. Still keeping consistent with the toe taps. Bend your bottom knee as well. Keep going. And relax. We're going to stay on this side with the resistance band still around our ankles, and we just do little pulses to the back, still keeping our bottom knee bent. Shoulders and legs are in one long parallel line. I did 8 and then released and then did another 8, and you do this for 30 seconds. Beautiful. For the next 30 seconds, do whatever you need to do to cool down a little bit, shake it out, stretch. I chose to do a forward fold on both sides to alleviate the tension I was feeling in my hips and my hamstrings. So go ahead, do what you need to do, grab some water, and we'll repeat everything on the second side. We have 20 seconds of toe taps to the front, 20 seconds of toe taps to the side, and 20 seconds of toe taps to the back with our bottom knee bent. Let's get started. Let's go to the side.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet.
Bend that supporting leg, shift your shoulders forward, and let's go to the back.
Close my eyes and see. Only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
Go ahead and relax. We have 30 seconds of those pulses to the back. After a quick 5-second breather, let's get started now. 30 seconds of pulses to the back and then 30 seconds to stretch.
People I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got.
Very last set of exercises with no resistance band. We're going to keep our legs bent over top of our toes and lift one leg up to an attitude devant. We do 20 seconds to the front, 20 seconds to the side, and 20 seconds to the back. Make sure that your knees are pointing outwards, so we're really working on those glutes and inner thighs. And let's go to the side for 20 seconds. Notice my bottom leg is not moving. Notice my hips are not moving. You're lifting your knee as high as you can go without lifting that hip. Keep them really square and pull up out of your core. Make sure your shoulders are stacked on top of your hips. Now when we go to the back, shift your shoulders forward once again so that you can have one long line from your toes to your head. Keep going.
Million things are running through. Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't?
And let's switch sides. Make sure that your supporting leg is really stable. That knee is not wobbling. Let's go 20 seconds to the front in attitude devant en plie.
Wake up. Million things I don't know what to do.
Let's do 20 seconds to the side. Same thing.
Is a social institution and not a physical reality. There is, in other words, no such thing as time. There is such a thing as rhythm, but time as such is a social institution.
And we have 20 seconds to the back. and relax. Take your feet hip distance apart or a little bit wider. Inhale, lift your hands up above your head, and a big exhale to do a forward fold. Let's take our left hand to the outside edge of our right ankle, and we will bend and stretch both knees. And let's switch sides. Right hand to our left ankle. Place both hands flat on the floor, bend your knees over top of your toes, and slowly roll up through each and every vertebrae. And then let's face our knee to face one foot and bend the front leg so that we can do a nice calf stretch. Go ahead and switch sides. And you guys are done. Thank you so much for joining me today for this killer barre fit routine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.